So I just contacted with the YouTube support and I just asked them that is there any subscription requirement for the community tab on YouTube. They just sent me this link. To get the community tab, you can see there is no any requirement of subscribers. Okay, so you have to go to the channel feature and you can get the community tab by enabling any of these three options like channel history, video verification or a valid ID. So let's see how you can get the community tab. First of all, here you can see I'm just logged into my YouTube channel. So you have to log into your YouTube channel first, and after that just go to your YouTube studio page. From here just go to the setting option, and after that just click on this channel, and here you have got the option of feature eligibility. Okay, you just have to click here, and here you can see I have already enabled my advanced feature. So you must enable this feature and you can just select any of these three options, like you can just click for the video verification, valid ID or channel history. Okay, so as you can see I have enabled this channel history option, so I have got the community tab. Once you will get the community tab on YouTube, then you can upload directly any picture, or you can also create an image poll, a text poll or quiz or video. Okay, so that's how you can upload a picture on YouTube. I hope you have found this video helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.